I'm headed to the sizzling hot West Loop, to a location that's around the corner from Union Park and the CTA stop just west of the park, a short walk from City Winery and the neighborhood's famed dining and nightlife scene, for a tour of one of Sweet Home Chicago's furnished apartments at The Mason. The Mason is pet-friendly and has 24/7 door staff. The building's extensive amenities start at the lobby level, where there's a large social lounge and several smaller lounge areas. The lobby level business center has print with me service, a conference room, and private offices. There's a yoga studio adjacent to a fitness center that has a wide variety of cardio and strength training equipment. The rambling top floor Sky Lounge has a separate dining area, comfortable seating around a fireplace, a demonstration kitchen, a gaming area, and spaces for more intimate gatherings. A rooftop deck has grilling areas and great skyline views. The pool deck was closed for the winter at the time of my visit. I just walked into apartment 904, a one-bedroom that faces out to the west. Immediately get a bit of a loft feel when you walk in, from wide plank flooring, high ceilings, brushed concrete on the ceiling, pendant lighting with an industrial look over the kitchen island. There's a nicely kitted out one-wall kitchen off to the right. It's a built-in office desk. Kitchen stainless steel appliance package includes a French door refrigerator, 4-burner gas range, built-in microwave, dishwasher, of course. There's a wide farm-style sink, and very much of a designer look to this also. Black gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment, rough sawn tile backsplash, contrasting dark and white colors, and white quartz counters, 42-inch upper cabinets for additional storage, and since this is a Sweet Home Chicago apartment, it has everything you're going to want to move right in and feel right at home. You have all the countertop appliances, cutlery, knives, cookware, dishes, glasses, everything to stay a while and be very comfortable here. And for your arrival, there's a goodie bag. It's a great feel to this space. Floor-to-ceiling windows at the end, looking out onto a wide balcony. It's snowing and cold, so I'm not going to go out there. It's a wide closet opposite the kitchen. Ironing board, extra light bulbs. Very appealing. Flat panel TV in the living room. Comfortable furnishings and artwork. Again, a great feeling in this space. Heading toward the bedroom. Bedroom is carpeted. A nightstand, table lamp, and a floor-standing lamp. And again, another floor-to-ceiling window looking out on great texture. A walk-through closet to the bath, set up with additional linens and bedding. It's a laundry basket, a full-size stacked washer-dryer, and then a very attractively finished bath. It's a wide vanity, lighting in the framing the mirror, bank of drawers for storage, and a welcoming packet of toiletries. Get the services of a hotel here. A tandem entry from the bath out to the living dining area. Mason has a very attractive suite of amenities. West Loop location, close to really exciting dining and nightlife. Short distance from the medical district. And Sweet Home makes your short or long-term stay a sweet deal.